In the guitar building program at KCVI, we are learning to build electric guitars.
We'll start from from a design or a drawing that you might provide me with, which is your dream, and then we'll go from there. We'll make templates and jigs to allow you to produce that instrument.
You learn a lot really quickly because you're kind of thrust into it all kind of at once.
Oh, you just get sucked into the work. The teacher's great. People you meet are great just because you all have the same interests.
Ultimately, what we want is for you to plug it in, to strum your instrument and feel like you're on top of the world.
I feel really good about the quality of the guitar.
So this is a Telecaster thin line made with zebra wood top, swamp ash body, maple neck. I love it. I'm so happy with the way it came out.
Doing guitar building this past semester has been probably the most fun that I've had in school. It just really doesn't compare to much else.